Background of Uniqlo Company. In 1984, Uniqlo brand will be registered under the contraction Uniqlo from the Uniqlo thing part of the name. But in 1988, the staff in charge of registering the name misread the C as a Q and it stuck, and the name of the store was changed to Uniqlo. The design of logo consists of two distinct color palettes, which is red and white. The name of the brand is spelled out in either room letter at right logo or Japanese script at left logo. Then, Uniqlo's slogan is made for all, and the store is known for its rainbow color casual wear for men, women, and kids. Next is description of Uniqlo's product. Uniqlo Life wear is high quality, innovative clothing that is universal in design and comfort. It is made for everyone and everywhere. Uniqlo produces clothing for mainly three customer segments, which is women, men, and kids or babies. The brand is divided into 5 sub-brands, separate by style but housed under the same Uniqlo store. The 5 sub-brands is outwear, tops, bottom, innerwear, and homewear.
Let's get to know the owner of the Uniqlo. Background of Tadashi Yanai. Unique Clothing or Uniqlo is owned by a successful businessman named Tadashi Yanai, not only as founder of Uniqlo but also a founder of global company known as Fast Retailing. He was born on 7th of February 1949 in Ube, Yamaguchi, Japan. His wife is Teruyo Nagaoka and has 2 children. He received secondary education at Ube High School and later attended Waseda University in Tokyo for tertiary education. Yanai graduated from the university with a Bachelor of Degree in Economic and Political Science in year 1971. And then, in 1984, he quit his first job at Jasco Supermarket and became a president of his father's clothing chain. Later, he opened his first own store called Unique Clothing Warehouse in Hiroshima, and 14 years after that, he managed to open more than 300 Uniqlo stores all over the country. And now, he is the 41st richest businessman in the world and the richest people in Japan. Next, the task of employees in Uniqlo. Last reported on 2018, Uniqlo has a total of 44,424 employees. Employees at Uniqlo carry out their tasks based on their position in the organization. Among of their tasks are firstly maintaining the integrity of customer service as to reflect Uniqlo's value. Next, they have to contribute ideas to expand the market. And then they also need to assist and develop a team to achieve high enthusiasm in career. Next, managing inventories and formulating ways to effectively benefit the company is also one of their tasks. And last but not least, they have to create a unique shop floor and effective visual merchandise layouts in line with company standards and merchandising requirements.
Now, let's move to the first operation management, which is design, goods and services. Operation management of design, goods and services for Uniqlo consists of 3 important matters, which are product strategy, house of quality, and service design. Let's first take a look for product strategy. On the early stage of their business, the customer perception for Uniqlo as a company that produces low-price garments, and until now, Uniqlo still maintain their product at a low price. Uniqlo is famous as a company that use minimalist fashion as their concept. Not just that, they make sure every of their latest fashion as a trendy and casual fashion, where people can wear at any time and suit for any event. Last but not least, they concern about the quality of their product, where they against fast fashion and consider it as a trash. Next is house of quality. To make sure their quality is at the best condition, Uniqlo ensure every stage of production for their product have a good partnership. At the first stage, they detailed about the fabrics that they use, and next, at the sewing stage, they make sure every employee fulfill the requirement of the clothes. Third stage, Takumi will observe and evaluate their works. Lastly, before shipping, they will make sure every packaging is well packaged. Lastly, service design. At the service design, Uniqlo have not overlooked their communication with customers as they use digital marketing, brand campaign, celebrity brand ambassadors such as Roger Federer and Nuhujan for Malaysia ambassadors, and more to get their customers in touch with their latest product. For example, the company nowadays eagerly involved in a global brand campaign such as Clothes for Smile, where they are welcoming ideas throughout the world to produce better garment for all.
Next, let's see the supply chain management of Uniqlo. The definition of the supply chain and supply chain management. Supply chain is a network of entities and processes through with a variety of separate business like suppliers, producers, and distributors collaborate to get the raw materials along the value chain and turn these raw materials into specific finished good. Supply chain management is a cross-departmental and cross-company collaboration and synchronization of content, knowledge, and financial flows from suppliers of raw materials to consumers. Uniqlo has transformed their supply chain system by using digital technology. Since 2016, Uniqlo has started to execute their supply chain transformation. As Mr. Yanai said in one of his interview, he said that digitalization made demarcation of industries useless. The data is the most important things and sources of competitiveness, especially in fashion industry. There are many competitors in the industry. So, to overcome the challenge by the digital giant, Uniqlo has transformed their supply chain system by using digital technology. By using the current system, Uniqlo takes 6 to 12 months to evaluate the design, purchase equipment, assemble goods, and supply them to retail outlets, resulting disparity between the needs of the consumers and the product. So, to solve the problem, in 2017, Uniqlo started to use radio frequency identifier or known as RFID and connecting their data to the digital platform.
Now, let's continue with the last one, managing quality. Quality can be defined as the degree to which a set of inherent characteristics fulfills a requirement such as need or expectation that is stated, generally implied or obligatory. In other words, it is an ability of a product or service to meet customer needs and satisfactions. For Uniqlo, it is always prioritizing the quality of the product with high potential employees and check up its partner factories to inspect the production status and sort out the problems. Furthermore, Takumi team is one of the experts that help many partner factories to maintain high quality standards of the product and assist to secure safety working environments by offers guidance and occupational safety.
Okay, now for logistic management of Uniqlo company. Logistic management. Logistic management is a process of movement and storage of product that is used to meet customer demands. This system is a combination of various activities such as shipping, warehousing, and inventories. Okay, first shipping. For international shipping such as from factory production in China to warehouse in Japan, Uniqlo use sea freight shipment and air freight shipment. Then Uniqlo joined Daiwa House and they make an initiative by applying container round that use the same container to import and export products in order to reduce the number of empty container in transit. Uniqlo began automated e-commerce warehouse in Ariake, Tokyo. In order to operate this warehouse, they team up with Daifuku Corporation, Mujin Incorporation, and Exotech Solutions SAS. They use integrated circuit text, sensors, robot, and other technology in the warehouse for all the operation, which are reception, inception, storage, and sorting. Uniqlo replaced 90% of staff at its newly automated warehouse with robots. Then, third-party logistics. Third-party logistics is important to distribute the customer's order within the countries. In Malaysia, Uniqlo appoint Ninja Van as their courier partner to ship the online order from customers. However, in United States, their supported carrier are FedEx, FedEx SmartPost, and USPS, which is United States Postal Service, depending on selected delivery app. Here are several ways to improve Uniqlo company. First of all, they need to develop an effective website that can adapt the increased volume of traffic in order to ease their customer in searching product information and online purchasing. They also need to make viral marketing through social media to create awareness for people out there. Through social media, Uniqlo can interact with potential customers and gather customers' opinion and comments. This is useful in order to improve their products, and they also get close relationship with their customers.